always been so curious. How are singing bowls made? Who are the artists? And what really do they put in there? So I decided to fulfill my curiosity, and I went to Nepal and visited a singing bowl factory. It was incredible. Not what I thought. The pile that's on the left is what they made in about 4 hours' time. So the process for machine-made bowls starts with a mold, then they get designed, then they get polished. And this is the first of 3 steps. They've got a great rhythm. They also got amazing knees because they were squatting most of the time. And what they do is they take these brass anklets and melt them down with tin or copper. But these are made out of brass, which is pretty incredible. They're melted down and then they're put into the mold. It's an incredible process. The hand-pounded bowls were not working the day I visited, which is a completely different methodology. The second step of the process takes place in another building where the artist is working individually with each bowl, clearing off any residual material that might be on the outside. Some of them are creating patterns and designs on the outside. And then the third step in another building is where they all get polished and put in bags ready for shipping. I am just so grateful to have met these artists and to the skilled craftsmen and women who dedicate their lives in creating these sacred singing bowls. I thank you. Your hands hold centuries of tradition, and your art brings healing and harmony to the hearts around the world. Thank you so much.